Hi all, welcome. In this video, we will model this simple sheet metal part. Let's open a new part and then together we will model it. So, we have new part, right plane. I select here a sketch and I will draw here something like this. Yes. Once you are done, you select these two, make them construction geometry of if you click here, you can do here, you can do here, this way. There's many alternatives. So here I got 300, here I got 100. Okay, then we have 120. Once you are done, you close sketch and go sheet metal, base flange tab. So 3mm thickness, 3mm radius is a good approximation. Mid plane 425mm. Once you are done, close it and come here. Unfold. We select this one, collect all bends and we say unfold. After we create here a sketch, we look normal to create a sketch. Something like this, we will create here. In fact, I do here a little bit unnecessary work. We could place also a rectangle, but I didn't thought well. So construction geometry, make vertical, make this horizontal, and then let's give some dimensions. 25 also here. Why it's in the middle, it will be automatically defined. So 25 here and here 30. It looks good. I gotta fit it. I will create here 2 times radius 20 and then I will close the sketch. Features, extrude cut, link to thickness is good, and then we close this guy. Sheet metal, fold, select this one, collect all bends, and then we make it like this. So we have here a sketch. We are going to use it. We select this one. Select the sketch, make offset, reverse, 1mm. And after this operation, we make this one construction geometry. We make coincident here. Coincident here. Here we are going to put on another line. So we combine those edges. Yes, there's nothing wrong now. We can continue. It's just a 1mm offset. And after this operation, base flange tab, merge result, don't say anything special. Hide this one. And front plane selected. Not in fact, in this sheet metal you need to use surfaces or faces to be able to create a mirror. But is this guy, it looks nice. Sheet metal, flatten, then you're gonna see there is an equal nice gap. It is this incision here, depending on a little bit also material, but like an 1mm minimum is a good practice. Keep in mind, of course, if your supplier have a coarser values, you need to talk with them to understand what is the available minimum incision thickness. They can tell you and then you can modify your sketch. So we created here some radiuses, by the way, fillet, and after this our operation is done. In fact, it is a simple part, but yeah, it is nice. It's a little bit giving you the idea of how you're gonna deal with the sheet metal commands here, how you're gonna create this kind of things, unbend in a bent part. I hope you like it. If you like it, hit the like button. See you in another video.